Are you a beginning cosplayer and you're nervous about like what mistakes you might make, you don't want to mess up, or you just want some tips and tricks? Then this is the video for you. I'm going to be sharing some cosplay mistakes that I myself have made, some of my friends have made, or anything that I know that can help you so that you do not make them, because they were pretty sucky mistakes to make. Yeah. Hi colorful babes, it's Jazzy, your nerdy cosplay bestie, back with another video. Hi, if you're new here, welcome to the channel where I talk about all things nerdy, all things cosplay, and all things super fun. So come on and join our tribe, the Colorfulbabe Nation. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, wear comfy shoes, you guys. I promise you comfy shoes will be your lifesaver. Modify them to be comfier. I wore heels for an entire con dressed up as a Tana and I could have cried because I did not modify them to be comfier. I ended up walking around the con barefoot and the floors are gross. You do not want to be this person. So try to modify at padding, whatever type of shoes you're wearing, so that you know you can walk around with them for a long time. Test out your shoes, break in your shoes, whatever you can do. Trust me, it'll save your life, because otherwise you will be crying on the floor because your feet hurt really bad. If you don't have time to modify your shoes, bring a backup pair. So then at least you went around in your shoes for an hour. That's a win. Yes! Okay, so you did your win. You did it for an hour. Now it's time to kick off these shoes and put on something that you can actually walk around in. And to be honest, no one cares if your shoes aren't cosplay, like matching the cosplay. Like, your comfortability comes first. Don't stress yourself out over this. Put the uncomfy shoes in your knapsack, put your comfortable shoes on, and keep it pushing, because cons take hours to get over with and you don't want to kill your feet. Your feet are precious to you. Be nice to them. Oh my god, mistake number 2, hot glue gunning yourself. Guys. I was trying to do a cosplay and I thought, oh, I could just glue it on while I'm wearing it. Don't do that. Don't do that. I burnt the crap out of myself. It hurt. And it was right before the con. I started to walk around in that painful outfit. It burned. Oh god. If I can tell you anything, be careful with the glue gun. Be careful with the glue gun, but do not hot glue while you're wearing the cosplay. I know it sounds like common sense, but I'm not the only person I know who's done this. So I'm just going to let you know now. Please be careful. Please. I don't want you to burn yourself. Oh my god, this one is killer for me. Not eating before face paint. I still do this. I don't know why I do this. Eat before you paint your body or paint your face. Please eat. Please eat, because you don't know when the next time you're going to be able to eat is, and if you do, you're probably going to ruin it. And touch-ups, yeah, okay, but it's never going to look as good as the first time you did it. So, guys, please eat before you paint your bodies and paint your faces. Just eat something substantial, too. Not just a snack, but, like, something that's going to keep you full for a couple hours, so that you can get all the photos you want to get in before you snack. Otherwise you're going to be starving at the con and you're really going to want to eat. This is part of the reason I don't usually wear face paint to cons, and it's because I forget to eat. And so I'm a very hangry person, so if I don't eat, it's over. It's over. Not doing a cost test. Guys, do a cost test. I know it sounds dumb, but cost tests are so important, because you need to know how the makeup's going to look and what alterations you may need to change to the cosplay or to the headpiece or to the wig in order to make it look how you want to. You do not want to be 30 minutes before the con or before the photo shoot or before the videos you have to take trying to manipulate your cosplay. You're going to drive yourself crazy. Why would we do that? Why? Tell me. Because that's dumb. Let's not do that. Cost tests are important. It's okay if it's not perfect. You know, like, you could even just, like, try out your cosplay. Do your TikTok sounds and your cost test first to see what you're going to have to alter in the cosplay in order to make it more comfortable for you to be able to do everything you want to do. I didn't do this for one of my cosplays and I almost ripped it while doing a TikTok sound. I'm telling you, cost tests are importante, okay? Using cream face paint on sensitive skin. Y'all know that your girl here loves her skincare, and it's all about her skincare, and that's because I have super sensitive skin. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with cream face paint. It has its purpose. It does. But my skin don't like it. And I have really sensitive skin, and my skin don't like it, and I still use it. I don't know why I do this to myself. So I just use it now for kind of like small portions, little touch-ups, not for like my whole face, because I literally feel like somebody put itching powder on my face and then my face just goes crazy. Water-based face paint, I feel nothing. It's perfect. Figure out what face paint works for you and your skin type before you paint your entire body. And finally, not using tights. Oh, when I discovered colored tights, my world changed. There are a couple websites that sell, I think it's like, what is it? We Love Colors is the name of the website that's most famous for this, but they sell colored tights, bodysuits, tops, arms, gloves, whatever you may need in order to not have to paint your entire body the color of your character. And they are amazing, lightweight, thin enough to breathe. They also have thicker options for the wintertime. And also, skater tights are really good for when you are doing cosplays with your legs out, but you're not super comfortable with your legs being out. Something that I wish I had learned before I had done a couple of cosplays that I've done, because I was super uncomfy in them and I probably would have been way more comfortable with tights on underneath. And there you have it, 6 cosplay mistakes that I've made and I'm telling you about so that you don't make them too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I plan on posting 2 videos a week from now on, so I hope to see you guys there every single week on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and do all the things to show your appreciation, because every little bit helps. Thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!